You do.
What?
Remind me is the babe.
Quiet! A goblin babe. Well...
What's going on? What do you want?
We just have to have a good time. That's right. Yeah.
How you turned my world, you precious thing. You starve and near exhaust me. Everything I've done for you. I move the stars for no one. There's such a sad love deep in your eyes, it kind of held you. Open and close the sky. We're strangers till now. We're choosing a path between the stars. I'll leave my love between the stars. As the pain sweeps through, makes no sense for you. Every thrill has gone, wasn't too much fun at all. But I'll be there for you.
So Ludo can so sit by a hole when your maiden needs our help?
The eternal stench.
Oh, yes! And you, sir? How are you enjoying my labyrinths?
It's a piece of cake.
Oh.
Really? So the labyrinth's a piece of cake, is it? Well, let's see how you deal with this little slice.
No, the cleaners!
What? It's great. My kingdom is great. You have no power over me.